CGK Linens sent me these sheets for my review, and I'm excited to open them up. This is actually a 6-piece. I don't think I've ever got a 6-piece linen set before. I had to look it up to see what the 6 pieces were, and it actually comes with 4 pillowcases, which I think is really cool. Normally you only get 2, and then of course you have the fitted sheet, and then you have the sheet on top. These ones are the extra deep pockets, and they're also microfiber. So extra deep pockets, if you've never had sheets like this, you are truly missing out, because I don't know about you, I'm not a fantastic sleeper. I toss, I turn, and there are so many times in the morning where I wake up and my fitted sheet has then pulled back and it's now kind of like wrapped around in the middle of my bed, and it is annoying and also uncomfortable. So having these extra deep pockets, let me show you what that means. Everything's just so nicely wrapped up in here. Okay, so I actually think, so this is just the regular sheet. So you've got a nice top sheet there, which we all know and love, but the star of the show, of course, are the 4 pillowcases and then the fitted sheet. So check this out. So this is actually going to fit very nicely and snugly for an 18 to 24 inches. So check this out. Let me see if I can even find a corner here. I don't even know if I can. They're just so like deep and seamless. Let me see. I can't even. Let's see. Okay, here we go. We found one. So check this out. From the top to the bottom here, I don't know about you, but like my mattress is not that thick. So once you put this on, let's say you have like a 12-inch mattress, you have the rest of this that is going to wrap around and almost go like under, well, it will go completely underneath your mattress. So it's going to be hugging it nice and snug, so it's not going to slip around. And as I said, microfiber, really breathable, really soft. These ones are clearly the gray. And of course, as I said, 4 pillowcases. Like honestly, oh, look at these cute little design you have on that too. Super nice. Definitely can't go wrong. And they literally have all the colors you could possibly want.